Is it recording?
Yes.
Okay. So, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like a long time. But since there's no school for like 2 weeks, I'm kind of going crazy. So, I bought a lot of crap on Amazon. So, I have some tech stuff, some pet stuff, some gardening, some beauty, and some clothes. So let's just go ahead and start this off. I'm gonna start with the tech stuff first. So if you have a pop socket, these things are really cool because you can attach the pop socket and you have your phone like wherever. So this one you can stick on the wall or like anywhere. It has the adhesive and it just makes it hands-free. So like you can call Siri up and do stuff without touching your phone, but you could still see it. And then it was like a 4-pack on Amazon. So I got 2 car ones and then 2 of these ones. I'll insert a picture so you could see how I have them. And then it came with 2 cable managers. So like you stick your cables in here and it organizes them. So this was like a really good deal. It was like 16 bucks or something, or like 15, I don't know. I got this 2-pack stylus for touchscreens. I've seen a lot of people at school taking notes with their iPads and like a stylus, and I thought that they were all like $100 because every time I asked someone they were like, yeah, it was like $99. But okay, they're like way too bougie and they want the Apple Pencil, which is what it was. But this was $15 for 2 of them, and it has like all these replacement parts. So it looks like this. So that's what the tip looks like. For the precise part, it's kind of weird. It takes a little bit getting used to because it has like, it's like a big thing. And then it has this mesh part for just like regular touching. It's really cool. So when school starts again, I'm going to start taking notes with this. Just because I can save paper and it's cool. Next is this thing. This is an ultrasonic pest repeller. And I'm pretty sure like I got played. I got this to get rid of spiders. I have like a huge spider problem outside, not inside my house. But this one said outdoor and indoor, so I got it. Let's zoom into this little apparatus here. Like all the way. Can you see that in there?
Is that a spider web?
Yes. That is a spider web on the thing that is supposed to repel the spiders. Like, I'm really upset right now. So don't buy this. So now I'm just gonna show you, there's like 2 pet things that I have. First, I got, my dog's breath smells like literal shit. I had a dental done on her and then have to keep up with her like brushing her teeth. It's ridiculous. Like, what dog has to brush their teeth? Mine does. It's this Vet's Best, what is this? It said like with enzymes or something. I don't know. It works. It comes with this really cool toothbrush that like gets it from all edges. And then this thing, my dog is kind of a retard. So when you walk her, if you put the harness on her and pull from the top, she like starts having a coughing attack, and my husband hates walking her because he gets so embarrassed that she like starts going crazy and like chasing other stuff and like starts coughing. So I don't know why he would get embarrassed by that, but whatever, he's weird. So we got this harness that pulls from the front. So like this is where her chest is, and then you pull right here and it stops like all that nonsense. So now he doesn't have to be embarrassed by walking the dog. This is a mini sewing machine. Can you believe that? This is so cute. It was like 20 bucks. I can hem all my stuff now. I don't have to pay for alterations. I even made my own clothes and like drapes and pillowcase. Like, I'm going ham. I mean, I'm really, really bored over here. So yeah, this thing was 20 bucks and it comes with a little foot pedal. Not gonna lie though, it's kind of a pain in the ass. Like the string breaks all the time. It's kind of annoying. But like for 20 bucks, it's pretty good. I mean, I guess like this is the only sewing machine that I got, so So I've recently gotten into gardening and sewing. Like apparently like I'm an old lady now. But I got these little butterflies that you stick into your plants, and it just looks so cute. It comes with like I think like 17 or 20 or something like that, and I stuck them all around in my little plants, and it's just so freaking cute. Like I love these. This make me so happy. And then I also got these little pots. They're like tin can pots that you hang on your fence or like whatever. It has like a little hook that you hang them, and I put them all around my front yard. Okay, so this whole time you're probably thinking like, wow, what a nice manicure. Like I wonder how much she paid at the salon for that, right? Well, I got these on Amazon. These are stick-on nails. Like they're stick-on nails. I thought this was like for little kids only, but no, they're actually really convenient and really cute. And they come in all kinds of colors, so I'm gonna do red later on. But I really like them. They're convenient and, you know, whatever, like don't roast me. Okay, so now we're gonna do clothes. Okay, so I see these on Instagram all the time, and like I see them from Pretty Little Thing, but they're literally the exact same thing. Like I see them all the time, and they're from other like different brands, and I'm pretty sure that they paid twice as much. These are super cute. They have like this big open hole here, and these are folded, but you can unfold them. They're not sewn like that. So they're like mid-waist, kind of high waist. Like if you keep pulling them up all the way, then they're high waist. But I love them. Okay, so I also got some crop tops. This one was, I'm pretty sure this was like from China, but it's super cute to wear with like a high-waisted bottom. And I actually used my little sewing machine to alter it because it was just like a little bit too loose on the sides. So I sewed it up to make it tighter and a little bit more fitted, and now it fits. I also got this one. It's got like the little lettuce edge that's super cute. And then I got this sunflower dress. I love this one. It fits really well, but it's a little bit long, so like it's kind of grandma, but it's still cute. So yeah, I just got this one. It has like the square neck, and it's not too short, but it's definitely shorter than the other one, so it's a little bit more flirty. I love this. It's super cute for summer. The material is not the worst, but it's not the best. Like holding it up, I can kind of see through it, but when you're wearing it, you can't really see through it. So it fits really well though, so I love it. Okay, next I have this one that's kind of similar to the cherry one, but this material is a little bit better quality, like by a little bit, but it's still super cute, super summer, and I kind of have a thing for flowers. Next is this romper. It's kind of like a capri cut romper, but I really like it, and it's the linen material, so it's like beachy at the same time, which is perfect for summer, which is almost done. So I should have done this video a while ago. And then I got this for work. It's a nice soft material, and it's cute. It's not just like a dull color. It's got the polka dots. So I have these shoes. They're like regular brown sandals, but they have a little bit of a heel. I wanted to wear these to work, just to have like a little bit of a heel, but me and heels like don't go together. So this is what I'm willing to compromise on. And then if you have kids, Amazon has this really cool car potty for like boys, if you have like a little boy. My son has the little red car potty, and he loves it. Like he gets excited. He's like, yeah, the car potty. So that I also got on Amazon. That was cheap, and it's convertible. Like the seat transfers, like it lifts up, and you can put it onto the actual toilet seat, so they can sit and not fall into the toilet.